بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my cute and sweet students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoy your online classes with me. Okay? अब हम दोबारा अपने पेज नंबर 2 पे आते हैं. Now take out page number 2. Okay? I'm just going to revise this page again. Yesterday we read from quilt to umbrella. Now I repeat them. Okay? Come on, read with me. Quilt. Quilt. A quilt. A quilt. Rope. ROP. Rope. A rope. A rope. Snail. 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 A snail. A snail. Tap. 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 A tap. A tap. Umbrella. UMBRELLA. An umbrella. An umbrella. Why we put here an? Because the starting letter is vowel. Okay, now come to the violin. Look at this picture. Do you know what is this? Violin is a musical instrument. हम इसको म्यूजिक में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ठीक है? ये एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. एंड द स्टार्टिंग लेटर इज W. This is a violin. VIOLIN. A violin. Okay, now come to the next picture. What is this? मुझे पता है, आपको पता है ये क्या चीज है? ये है a wall. 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 wall कैसे कहते हैं? दीवार को. Very good. Now come to the next picture. Raise your hands and tell me what is this? Yes, this is X-ray. X-ray. X-R-A ray. X-ray. A X-ray. Okay. Now come to the next picture. Oh my God, what is this? ये तो इतना बड़ा सा याक है. This is a yak. याक कहाँ पे होता है? जंगल में. Yes, yak. Y-A-K. A yak. A yak. ये एक जंगली जानवर है जिसे हम याक कहते हैं. Now come to the next picture. Wow, what a beautiful animal it is. Look at the lines, black and white. And what is this? Zebra. This is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. A zebra. A zebra. Okay. Now we all revise one time. Come on, read with me. I will revise them all. A quilt. A rope. A snail. A tap. An umbrella. A violin. A wall. A X-ray. A yak. A zebra. Very good, students. Now come on, clap your hands for yourself. Very good. You all revise with you, and you also read it with me. Okay? Very good. Wow, I'm so impressed of you people. Very good. I know you are so intelligent. Okay? Now come to this line. Also? Okay, now read it with me. A yak. a tap, a snail, a violin, an umbrella, a X-ray, a wall, a rope, a quilt, a zebra. Very nice. Excellent. Great job. Okay. Now I know you all remember it. And now अब हम आते हैं अपने होमवर्क टास्क की तरफ. ठीक है. मैं इस पेज में आपको होमवर्क टास्क दूंगी. ठीक है. आपको इस पेज पे ये आपने समझना है पहले. First I will explain to you. Okay, look at here. Put these words in alphabetic order. Okay, they give us the words, mixed words. ये सब इन्होंने mixed words हमें दिए हैं. ठीक है. हम इनको alphabetical order में arrange करेंगे. ठीक है. I will show you that how we do our homework task. Okay. Okay, students. Now come to this page. मैंने आपके लिए सारा ABCD तक इस पेज पे लिखा है. And how colorful it is. आपको अच्छा लगा? मुझे पता है आपको अच्छा लगा. मैंने इसलिए आपके लिए कलरफुल पेजेस को यूज़ किया है ताकि आपको मज़ा भी आ जाए. And you do it. आपको करने में भी मज़ा आए. ओके. चले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये तो हमने पहले पढ़ा है. तो टीचर ने क्यों लिखा है ऐसे दोबारा हमारे लिए. हमने बुक में देखा. They will give us the words ताकि हम उनको alphabetically orders में कर सकें. तो इस वजह से मैंने आपको काउंटिंग करके ये इसके ऊपर I will write numbers here. Did you see the numbers? Yes, I write numbers here ताकि आपको पता चल सके कि कौन से अल्फ़ाबेट्स कौन से नंबर पर आते हैं. A हमारे पास 1 पे आता है. B 2, C 3, D 4, E 5, F 6, G 7, H 8, I 9, 10, J, K 11, L 12, M 13, N 14, O 15, P 16, Q 17, R 18, S 19, T 20. U 21, V 22, W 23, X 24, Y 25, and Z is 26. Okay? अब मैं आपको शो करूंगी. I will teach you that how you will do your homework task. Okay? Now look at on page number 2 this one question. Put these words in alphabetic order. यहाँ पे हमारे पास words दिए हुए हैं. Bed, mat, grapes, window, egg, cow, wall, tap. Okay, what is the first word? The first word is bed. The first word is bed. So, can we see this chart? Where is the first? Where is the B? The B is on the second number. Okay, the B is on the second number, but there is no A here. From A letter, we don't have any letter. Okay, we don't have any word from A. So, the B is our first one. Okay, the B is the first one because we don't have the A word starting from A. Okay, now here, mat. So what do you think? Which number is the M? Here the M is on 13 number. Okay, but here we found after B, what has come? What's come after B? After B, C is coming. Okay? C. C. So where I put? Where is the C? Check here. Yes, here is C. Cow. So the cow is here come with the second number. Because after B, here comes C. Okay? Now found. Okay, now find the next one letter. After C, what comes? After C come here D. D, but I think there is no word from D. Okay, look at here. There is bed, egg, mat, cow, grapes, wall, window, top. No D is here. And after D, what comes? E. Okay, E. Yes, we have E here. E double G, egg. So, the number here we write 3. The bed is the first one. The cow is the second one. And we don't have D here, so the E is the third one. Okay, from this we write here 3. Okay, we write here 3 number. Okay, after E, what comes? F. So, can you show me where is F? No, there is no F. Then after F comes G. G. Can you show me where is G? Yes, here is G. Grapes. 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 Very good. We found G here and we give this word the number 4. Because the first one is B, bed. Second one is cow. Third is G, egg. And the fourth one is grapes. So grapes is on the 4th number. Very nice. After G, what comes? H. Did you find H here? No, there is no H. I. After H comes I. No I here. J. No J here. K. Can you tell me about the K? Is K here? No. L. No L here. M. Yes, I found it here. Yes, this is M. M-A-T, mat. Very good. Okay, so I give number 5 to it because M comes with the 5th number. Okay, now after M, N. Can you tell me where is N? There is no N here. O. No O here, starting word O. P. No words from P. No words. Q. No words from Q. R. No word from R. S. No words from S. Now come to T. Show me where is T here. Yes, here the T is. Tap. T-A-P, tap. So, we give the tap number 6. Okay, tap is on number 6. Okay, TK. Now, the next letter is U. Can you find any U here? No. V. Can you find V here? No. W. Can you show me where is W here? Yes, here is W. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Window. Yes, so I give it number 7. Very good. This is on number 7. Okay. Now, this is X. Here is the starting letter X. No. Y. no Y here. Z, no Z here. Okay? And from W we also hear a wall. W-A-L-L wall. These two are on number 7 because starting from W. Okay students, now you got it. मैं आपको क्या समझा रही थी, आपको समझ आ रही है? ये जो हमने इतना लंबा प्रोसेस किया है इसलिए किया है ताकि हम इन वर्ड्स को अल्फ़ाबेट ऑर्डर में सेट कर सकें। ठीक है, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया है आपने इसी तरह करना है और आपने बुक में मुझे इसके ऊपर लिख के देना है ताकि मुझे समझ आ जाए और मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करना है। ठीक है, अपना होमवर्क। और एज यू लाइक, अगर आप नोटबुक में करना चाहते हैं तो आई विल शो यू दैट ऑल्सो। If you want to do it in a notebook, first you have to take your notebook, 4 lines notebook. You have to draw margin lines here and here with the help of scale. Okay, and then you write homework here, English here, date here. Okay, and put these words. You write the question. Put these words in alphabetic order. ओके जैसे आपको तो बुक में मिक्स दिया है, आपने उसे अल्फ़ाबेटिक ऑर्डर में सेट करना है जैसे मैंने सेट किया है। ठीक है, इसी तरह आपने सेट करके लिखने हैं। ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू सो मच। यकीनन आपको इस वीडियो में मज़ा आया होगा, आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा और यू विल एंजॉय। ठीक है, आप अपना होमवर्क send me on WhatsApp and I will give the appreciations to you also. Okay, thank you parents and thank you students for joining me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.